Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 9X LITE, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to open up Settings. From here you will navigate to Storage, and in here you can see there's two tabs. You have the internal shared storage and SD card. Select your SD, and in here at the bottom you have Format option. Click on it. It will give you a message that formatting your SD card will result in you basically losing all the data that is on it. So if you do like to keep some of that stuff, do make a backup copy of it on your computer or somewhere else. But assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to back it up, then you can proceed by selecting Erase and Format. This will automatically begin the process, which only takes like a couple of seconds. And there we go, it's already finished. Click on OK and you're done. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.